Hey guys, Crafty Projects here, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to make some quick and easy festive leaves. And your paper to start off needs to be 10 by 10 centimeters each side. And to start, you just fold off the pieces of paper in half. And how I'm doing this is on one end, when I'm cutting it, is going to be circled off. The other side is going to be pointed, something like that. Now I'm going to cut it again to round off the edges at one end, and the other end that's pointed is going to be cut off a little bit more to be a little bit more pointed, and it looks something like this: round at the top, pointed at the end. Now this is where it gets a little bit more difficult. You're going to take the pointed end and bend it upwards, and then each side you're going to fold into each other. Now when you fold it into each other, the effect that you're supposed to get after this is a slanted line on each side. And you know you did it right, obviously, if you got slanted lines. If you got horizontal or vertical, you kind of did something wrong, which I happened to do a few times before I got it right. But that's how it is. You just fold each piece into each other, and it'll give you something like that. And it's pretty simple and easy. You just got to get used to the technique, but besides that, it's not too time consuming. And then I took a pen and filled in the lines to give it a little bit more effect with me being a goof. And that's pretty much it. You can stick them in windows or anywhere your little heart desires. And that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoy that. You can also follow my art page on Instagram. The link will be in the description. Or not link, sorry. My @ But anyways, I hope you guys enjoy. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks.